Hi everyone, my name is Kennedy and today I'm going to show you how to create different lengths of VersaFrame using the push and pull function. So of course we're going to start by going to our common off-the-shelf parts and we're going to find our VersaFrame. And I'm going to be, I'm going to be starting off with a part that I already shortened, and we're going to shorten it just a little tad bit more. So you're going to go to the part that you want and you're going to right click and you're going to say copy. You're going to copy it to that exact same folder. And as you see, the copy version comes in right below it and there are different timestamps. So you're going to want to change the name of your copied version depending on a different length. You're only going to change the end. So I want to take off 0.5 inches. So I just delete that and the rest of the name stays the same. Push enter. And then you're going to open it up. As you can see, there's the VersaFrame. You're going to want to click on the right and you're going to go to the press pull, which is also, you can click Q on your keyboard. And you're going to hover over the VersaFrame, and then here is going to give you a length of how long it is on the x-axis. And you're going to change that from 3.5 to just 3. And then you're going to click home, and as you can see, it did shorten. And just to check that, you're going to want to click one of the lines that go all the way through. So you're going to check the length, and at the bottom right hand it says edge 1, length 3 inches. You're going to save that, and instead of using user saved, I'm just going to put 3, knowing that I changed that to 3 inches, and bam, there you go. I'll demonstrate it one more time from using a full part. So once again, you're going to copy, rename. This time I'm going to make it 2.5 because that's the next size. Open it up, turn it to its right face so you have a clear view. Press and pull or push Q. Select it and change it to the desired length. Push enter. Go home and go ahead and check it out. The length, 2.5, our desired length, and save it. And that's how you get different lengths of VersaFrame with using the press pull function. Thank you.